Hello my friends, this is a very exciting mail. I purchased something from Japan. The shipping is actually much faster than I expect. I purchased on September 9th and it's here today, September 12th. So it's amazing speedy delivery. It came in this envelope and this is the item I purchased. This side is kind of busted open. I don't know what happened. This is a Jibun Techo, Kokoyo Jibun Techo. I've been eyeing this product for a very long time, and this came to my attention sometime last year, but it sold out everywhere. So this year I actually signed up to get notice from Japan so that I can get a hold of these items. This is a just their regular techo. It's not business or anything like that. This is their it's called like first the kit, something like that, which you get the get a bunch of stuff together. Okay, so first the kit standard cover. This is A5 slim version. Feels really good. It has transparent, not transparent, just a cover over here. Okay, let's see if I can open it with one hand. Lift it up, and it came with this plastic cover. The reason I want to get the first kit because it has that piece, the cover, and then it also has this board that you can put inside. It can be used as a ruler, as a pencil board, anything you like, and then it can also serve the purpose of well, you can use this to cover. It's hard to do it with one hand, but you can use this in the front, to close the book. Yes, to close it anyway. It keeps slipping out, but yeah, you can do it like that. Close the book. Okay, you got my point, right? So you get this. You got the cover. I picked the white one because I think this is most versatile color. And the cover has pockets, 3 pockets, and another pocket over here. Then it is, and you also have the life book. Okay, the life book is stuck inside. One cover is inside the front. Supposedly you can use this for your whole life. It would be fun if I actually stay with it for my whole life, right? And this is the techo itself. It has so many very functional pages. It's just amazing to me how many things you can track here. And it has two two ribbon for you to use, and then you also have idea book at the end. This is a little bit bent. It's fine. Idea book just blank gridded page, the notebook at the end, in case you have a lot, you want to write a lot of things. It's a bunch of map at the end. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. It's so yummy, so juicy to me. So fun. I love all the colors. Minimum, I think it has minimum Japanese here, and all these quote-unquote Japanese, I can understand all of them because it's actually Chinese. I mean, I can recognize all of them. So to me, this is just fine. So there you go. I hope you're enjoying this. I don't know if any of you are actually using this. I'm super curious, and I already have my passion planner. I'm gonna use that for, I redate an old one. I'm gonna use that for 2023. But for me, I feel like I really do need to have like at least 2 planners. One, the passion planner is going to be used for memory keeping, and this one will be like real planning kind of purpose. I'm not sure. And I also ordered the Stirring Inks her B6 planner, so oh my goodness. All right, okay, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.